Buenos dias. It's our breakfast.
So last day here.
Yeah, we're leaving today. It's our last day at Los Amigos. Getting ready to leave.
I'm sad that we're leaving. I'm optimistic. On our boat ride, we will see more wildlife. We're going on a different
Capybara?
boat. Oh my god! Yeah, look at my shirt. This is the scenery we see in real life.
Madeline is erasing her name. Lulu, socks from my friends. Solomon shoes, shirt, Levi's jacket, glasses from Korea.
Discovery Channel t-shirt.
Nice.
Oh my god, mosquitoes. Pants I got during Amazon Prime. Socks I got during Amazon Prime. The same $45 shoes.
They're matching.
$45 hiking boots. Uniqlo socks. Lululemon.
Wow.
Las Amigos biological station merch. Actually, it was probably like $50 post-tax.
Oh,
Yeah.
oof. Okay.
Guys, the mosquitoes are actually crazy.
I know. Oh my god. Parrots. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. There's 4 of them. What the heck? That's so cute. It's Madeline's birthday today. Wow. Happy birthday in Peru. Wow.
Adios.
Ciao.
Hasta la vista.
Hasta luego. We're going down the stairs. Hasta luego.
Hasta la vista.
Ciao.
Ciao. Boom.
We are down at the boat dock. Show us what's in the bag.
I think it's bread. I think it's a sandwich. Maybe it's cheese. That's it.
Chop.
Ooh, what is it?
What
Chop
is-
a nice name. I like that. I got some oranges.
Oh, it's the tree
chocolate
chocolate.
for you.
Oh my gosh, I love that chocolate.
I really like this chocolate.
Yeah.
Orange.
Oh,
Ooh. Wow. I crave that bread. It's
Me
so
too. It
good.
was so yummy.
That was so sweet. I hope we
What
get it.
bread?
Remember that big thing we got?
Oh, yeah, that was
It
good.
was this big.
It was huge. And it was only 3 souls.
pretty big.
Yeah, it was huge. We're going down to the boat now. We're on the boat. Where are we going?
Other boat people. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh my god, so good. So good. Okay. Bye guys. Ciao. See you on the other side.
Why did we stop?
Pee break.
Uno or dos?
Kathleen stepped in a pile of mud.
Hannah is coming from her pee break.
That was refreshing.
You want to throw like that.
Okay.
Like a low. You gotta.
Whoa! That was 5! That was 5! Whoa! That was good! Hey, that was 2! Oh, yay! We're here.
Hello, we have arrived and the short bus ride is done. I'm hoping we are having lunch now. I'm starving actually. It's already like 1:30.
Anyway, bye. We're off the bus.
We're not on the bus anymore.
What's on your shirt?
Oh, there's a moose that's logging off.
Oh, welcome. What are you?
Hungry.
What are you? What are you?
Very hungry.
Birthday drink? How's your birthday drink?
I haven't tasted it yet.
Wait, cheers! Cheers!
Eye contact? Eye contact?
Sugar.
Whoa, it's so yummy. How's the drink?
Muy bien.
Oh, see.
Okay, my hand is swollen from mosquito left hand. Why's your left hand strong?
I don't know why.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, I feel like I won. Left hand, win.
I'm
try. No, actually
gonna
try.
feel the strength.
No, genuinely, you'll be like, what the hell?
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Maya! She was warming up. Try, Maya.
This is all I can.
Okay, yeah.
We're gonna be your guides for like 2 nights and 3 days.
In between the branch. You got it. Can everybody see it?
You see it though? The laser point?
We're going down to the boat. Lunch.
Everybody got the lunch.
How's the food? It's so bougie. I know.
That's why.
Turtle.
They're so big. Are they big?
Where? Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
She wrote it out for us.
Oh my gosh, there's so many. Wow. There's a bird on it. We're here. What is your feedback?
So cool. 10 out of 10 boat ride. 11 out of 10. Epic! So much. So epic. So
Madeline! Happy birthday!
It's good.
It's so yummy. We're number 6, right?
It's 9.
9.
It literally says 9.
Number 9. 9. Oh my gosh, this is so cute! Wow, the bathroom is so clean. Oh my god.
Okay, guys. Be scared because I'm also kind of scared.
Wow, that's good. We're going around to see the double rooms.
Damn, son.
Here, let me put my phone down and pick up my beer. I want to create a good impression.
We're on our way back. The toilet clogged.
It's a group effort.
I put my toilet paper in the garbage can.
I do. I promise I did. No, I put it in the toilet. No, not in the bin. I promise. I promise. I was consciously thinking about the toilet paper, so I remember.
Oh my gosh, the sky's so pretty. We are going on a night walk.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Yeah, they're still moving because the light from the moon is strong. Move, look, very good. That's okay.
We are on our night walk. It's 6:30 right now. We saw a squirrel monkey and frog and a toad and a lot of insects and spiders.
Look. Raise your head.
I just saw a bat. What is it though? A mouse. A mouse.
Grasshopper. No, that's too big. This is a smelly mushroom. Do you see it? Yeah, that was the night monkey.
It looks like a caterpillar, but like triple its size. It's a millipede? Yeah.
We're going for supper right now. I'm so starving.
No. Why? What if it has rabies? Is it trying to eat banana?
Ooh!
Wow. We're being spoiled.
Bro, I took so much food.
I didn't know.
Same. Wait, it's not cooking. Oh, that's so nice.
Nice.
Round number 2. Happy birthday to you.
It's Noah's birthday today.
Woo!
It's also John's birthday the day after we leave the course.
Oh my god! Happy birthday! Wow!
That's a huge cake.
Dang!
Let's add sides.
Wow! It's massive. Yeah.
So if I did 2 more, that would be 23 pieces.
Whoa, that's nice!
Was that a no zone?
Happy birthday! Thank you, man. 21. Can you do some? I know you. It's so gross. Eee, look at you. That footwork.
We all showered and we're in this room for Wi-Fi. And we were dancing and laughing so much that we got in trouble. Yeah. It's Madeline's birthday. She's 21. Can you do some for me? What the heck? Why am I sitting like that? Oh, Feliz Campilation. Birthday. Feliz Campilation. Oh, that's what you say. You figured it out. Right. I don't know. Feliz Campilation. Madeline. Imagine it's wrong.
Feliz cumpleaños.
Feliz Campilation.
Feliz cumpleaños.
See you guys tomorrow. We have to wake up at 3 in the morning. Wait, again. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Buenas noches.
That was so loud though. I thought it was coming from. There's a cockroach in here. Climbing towards Hana's bed.
Buenos dias. It's, what time is it? It's 3:40 in the morning. And we're heading out for the day. It's 3:57 and we're heading out onto the river.
We woke up 30 minutes ago. Any of you guys hear the Star Wars alarm?
Yes, sir. Was that you?
Yeah, that was them.
We have arrived. It's so cold. So pretty. But what if people can see us? Parrots.
Scarlet, no?
Wow.
Still there, still there.
They're still there. Oh, they're moving, they're moving.
It's by the darker spot. The vine hanging is on top.
Oh, I see it. Oh, there's two, there's two.
Two of them.
There's two.
Oh, it's by dos.
Yes.
¿Qué es esto?
Breakfast.
Oh wait, Buenos. Oh no, it's still.
Buenos
What time is
tardes.
it? No, it's still
Oh, it's
morning.
9.
It's 9. Looks like a ninja.
Yeah. Wow. We're here, back at the lodge, walking up the stairs.
I don't like it. And with the sofa as well.
Yeah. Smile. Nice.
It looks so yum.
We just finished lunch.
It was so yummy.
It was so good. We're going back to the cabin and then we're going on a walk at 2 p.m. till 6:30 p.m. Long walk. We are going on our walk.
We just saw monkeys and
Squirrel monkeys.
Trumpeteers?
Yeah, and squirrel monkeys, like
So
30, 40 of them, like so many. I think maybe even more.
See you at the canoe. Transition. Go. We'll actually see you at the boat. Go. We are at the boat.
It's really pretty. Look over there.
Wow. 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 I'm coming. We are off the boat and going back to the lodge. We are back from our walk.
That was kind of fun.
Yeah, it was really fun. Oh my, all my ears.
It's so fun.
It's crazy. We have all showered and we look clean. We are going to go use Wi-Fi and then go to supper.
Oh, okay, fine. I'll just repost your ocelot video.
Yeah, she was embarrassed to post it because the door of the song. But
Un chileno y tres
today's pisco
flowers.
Cheers! Cheers! Bro, she's like saying her plate is full and she has her soup bowl on her plate. Like what?
This get half full.
like what? No, I'm so dead. Like I have such big under eye bags right now.
Yo guys, what's up? It's the final day. To conclude our trip, basically wanted to say that it was a great time. Best course ever.
For your first instinct is to vlog it.
There's no way.
Oh
you
my
need
God.
to take something. Bro.
You need help.
That's so cute. The lights turned off, the Wi-Fi is gone. I think this is a sign for us to go sleep.
Go.
Buenos dias! It's our last day at Finca. Yeah, last day of the course. We're gonna go eat breakfast. We are leaving Finca and going back to Puerto Maldonado.
I accidentally let go.
We're at the storage unit. We repacked. We are going to the airport. Bon appetit! Bon appetit! We are in the airport. We got a guaje ice cream. Madeline is going to do an unboxing. Oh. Yes. Oh. Right? Park, yes. Song Park. Song Park. We're going to Lima. We have landed.
Bye, vlog.
Bye, Mark. Have fun. Bye.
No.
How are we supposed to contact you?
Email.
Okay, we'll send envelopes to you.
Do it.
Bye. Bye. Have put our stuff into the storage unit and we are going upstairs to get snacks. Oh, we're going to Cusco soon. Woo! Again, yes, again.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah, same. We are unsure what's happening.
Very hectic.
I know. our flight is not showing on the departure sign, so we're just gonna go through security. This is chaos. We ordered at Tanta. I got pork, I think. She got hard-boiled egg.
I got a hard boiled. I already finished it.
Or chicken.
Is it dry? No. Vamos.
Let's go! Vamos!